An aspect of living with a solar system, especially if you have a battery, is being able to maintain it and know that it's going to function. So it's important that when the solar system and your battery system, if you're getting a storage system, is originally installed, that you test it to ensure it does what you're expecting it to do. Particularly with batteries, if you're backing up a certain number of breakers in your house, you want to make sure that when the power goes out, that actually functions. And part of our installation process is to test the system with you and show you how it works. In the event of an outage, you need to know what potentially you need to do to ensure that the power that your battery is providing is enough to last you through the outage. When we are deciding on a product to install on someone's roof, there's a lot of considerations us as a company makes, and we, being the expert, want to explain to our clients why we choose the products that we do. None of our vendors that we have give us kickbacks or anything like that to utilize their products. That's never the reason we would choose to use a product. We want to choose a product based on off a handful of reasons. One is going to be efficiency, and two is going to be where the product is made. And where the product is made is often a client's consideration and ours. Now, a lot of our clients ask us, well, can we use US made products? And I tell them, sure, we can use US made products. That's not always the best application for the project. We use as many local products as we can. Our racking manufacturer is local. Our inverter manufacturer has a local office in Fremont. Our panel manufacturers have local offices. A lot of them are made in Canada, some are made in Korea. But realize that pretty much every part that we install is going to have parts that are made throughout the world. Almost everything that you use in your home is going to have different parts that are made throughout the world. We try to keep the assembly process as local as we possibly can, utilize products that help our economy. That being said, it's not always possible, and it's not always the best application to use a product that is made locally for your home. And we want to make sure that we're offering you the best product for the application that it is being installed on.